Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a clean, flat surface and one neon sticky note. This matters because texture and dirt reduce hold. Once you have the note, lift a corner and peel gently to keep the adhesive layer intact. Place the top edge against your guideline. This gives a straight placement. Then press the center firmly and smooth outward to remove air pockets. Make sure to use light pressure at the end so the adhesive bonds evenly without folding the paper. Once done with the first note, build a system using neon colors to encode priority and context. Color coding speeds recall and scanning. You should layer notes for tabs by slightly offsetting each by about 1/2 inch so edges remain visible and easy to flip. For multi-note lists, write short headings in bold, then add details beneath. This prevents clutter and keeps the important action at the top. Make sure to rotate colors for different projects. You finish by confirming placement and durability. Press all corners and run a fingernail along the seam to lock the adhesive. If you need to reposition, peel slowly at a 45-degree angle to protect both note and surface. For notes that lose tack, add a tiny dab of clear drying glue behind the adhesive strip. Apply sparingly so the paper doesn't warp. If most notes no longer stick, replace the pad. Once the adhesive is 50% or less effective, swapping saves frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.